If you're wondering how to use Monday.com for goal tracking, you're in the right place. This tool can certainly help you stay organized and achieve your goals, but it's not the only option out there. Stick around because I'll walk you through how to use Monday.com for goal tracking, and at the end, I'll reveal a better alternative that could be more suited to your needs. First, let's dive into Monday.com's strengths. The platform offers an easy to use interface that lets you track progress visually. You can set up boards specifically for goal tracking, where you can create tasks, assign them, and add due dates. You can even group tasks by different milestones, which helps break your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Next thing, let's talk about setting up your board. Start by creating a new board and choosing the goal tracking template or customize your own. Monday.com allows you to add columns for different data points, such as status, priority, and timeline. These features make it easy to keep track of where you stand with each goal. The third thing, don't forget the automation features. Monday.com allows you to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can set reminders when a task is due or automatically move tasks to the next stage once completed. This saves you time and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Next thing, if you're working with a team, Monday.com excels here. You can collaborate with teammates in real time, share files, and even leave comments directly on tasks. This way, everyone is aligned on the goals and can keep track of progress together. However, here's where Monday.com can be limiting, especially for goal tracking. It's great for managing tasks, but if you need detailed analytics or more sophisticated tracking, it might not cut it. You'll find that Monday.com lacks in-depth reporting options that you might need for long-term tracking of your goals. Next, let's talk about the cost. Monday.com can be pricey compared to other goal tracking software. You may find that the pricing doesn't justify the features unless you're on a higher tier plan. So, before you commit, it's essential to consider whether it offers enough value for your goals. And now, I'll tell you about an alternative that's better suited for goal tracking. This software offers more in-depth analytics, advanced reporting features, and a streamlined approach to tracking your progress. It might not have all the collaboration tools of Monday.com, but if goal tracking is your main priority, it's definitely worth considering. Before I wrap up, I have an exclusive offer for you. I've secured an extended free trial for Monday.com through the link below, so you can explore the platform and test its features for goal tracking. But don't just stop there. If you're looking for something more tailored to goal tracking, check out the alternative I mentioned, which also offers a free trial, and you'll get some exclusive benefits when you use our link. So go ahead and try them out and see which one fits your goal tracking needs best.